Hey guys, Ocarina Hero here, and today we are opening up the Divoom Times game in here. It's a little desktop display. It's very clever. You'll see in a minute when it comes out of the box. Really well wrapped up. Times Gate. Side comes with a nice little bag as well, and a case to keep it in, tape on the box which we will take off. That is the display. It's got 5 little screens on it and it all lights up, and you can put different information on it. You can put pixel art on it. You can put, well, anything really. You can put social media information on it. Get this out. We get a USB plug, which it does not come with apparently. One USB plug. And we'll get it plugged in and turned on. Oh, there you go, start to light up. Really nice little case it comes with as well to keep it safe when you're not using it. Now, first thing we're going to have to do, so you can actually appreciate the lights, is to make it dark. So I am going to make it dark with some editing. Right, there you go. I've made it a bit darker in here so you can appreciate the lights a bit better, because it does light up really nice. It's not really dark in here, but it's dark enough that you can see the lights better. And you can change the lights to whatever you want. There's lights off. What is that? Lights. Red, that's changing colour lights. Orange, yellow, green. That'll just cycle through all the colours, depending on what colour you want. Ooh, it's like rainbow colours, ones at the sides. You can see that. Depending on what you want. We just try and get them to stay on if we can. Right, now this is obviously not technically a robot, but it's pretty futuristic, and it could easily sit on a desk or on a side with your robot or anything else. You know, if you work from home, you can have this on your desk and it will light up, and it does. So to start having a look through, you have to connect the app to change the screens, but we've got things like the weather here, we've got the time, we've got the date. This is showing us stock information. Decibels. Yeah, it must be decibels, so that's sound that it's hearing. So as I'm speaking louder, it's obviously going up. You can see that going along here. I have connected it to our internet already, so we can cycle through. There you go. It's going to change the screens and show you some other stuff. So that'll change the time in a minute. Right, so when you open up the app, you get some pixel art. You can put any of these on it that you want. So say I wanted, I don't know, say I wanted that cat on it. You click the cat. There you go, and there you go, put it on number 1. So there we go, now we've got the cat up there. We can put this one. You hold it, put that on number 2. Then you've got that. You can also you can use the app to make your own pixel creations. There's loads and loads of pictures already on here. You can upload. There's a minion. There's a little Splatoon creature. There's a Mario. Put Mario on. That's screen number 3 and number 4, it looks like. Right, loads and loads and loads and loads of pixel art stuff. But that is not all it does. We can go between the screens, so you've got different themes. Cyberpunk theme, there's a neon theme, there's a sci-fi theme, depending on what you want it to look like. Let's change the mode and go back to this. That'll get rid of some of our pixel art. That's the neon. Of course, I pressed it twice, didn't I? So it's going to come away from that, but that's the time and the day and the day. There's a subscriber count for YouTube. I connected my YouTube to it, so that will show us the subscriber count and the time. There's the weather for the next couple of days. You can add all sorts of stuff from the app. Social media stuff, you can put Facebook notifications on there. Whatever you want, really. Let's say at the minute we've got the time, date. Let's change it across mode. See, when you haven't set it to something, it will say please add. We could change the theme back to here. We could change the theme to cyberpunk if we wanted, which will change. There you go, it's changing all the screens. So now we've got time in the middle. This is a cyberpunk theme. That's cryptocurrency information, which, you know, some people use, some people find interesting. Stock exchange information. There you go, there's all, it's coming up. Tesla there, look, different stock exchange markets depending on what you're into. You could have anything on your desk depending on what you're doing. Even, you know, just have the time and the date. You could just put some pictures up there you've designed. You could put little clips from YouTube up there of your own that you've made. See, this is at the minute, this is showing my subscriber count, the view counts for different things. You can put TikTok information on there. I think you can put Instagram information on there. Whatever you want, almost. Change the colors. You can change light effects. Obviously, during the day, the lights aren't necessarily that bright anyway. You can see them. What else have we got to come up? It's a very clever little gadget. I'll let Amazon there on the stock market if you're interested in that sort of thing. Some people will be. Some people won't be. News. All the clock face is nice. Let's see if we can get that come up. That's quite nice. So that's the time here. You could leave it like that. You can have lots of different types of time you can have. Plan, I don't know what that looks like. Ooh, what's happening now? You can put diary stuff up there, so if you've got something coming up that day, it'll remind you. Yeah, decibels interesting. I didn't know it did that. That's keeping track of, that's the volume around you at the time. So the louder you are, see, jump right up to 84. The louder and quieter you can be, it'll drop right down to almost nothing. So yeah, very clever bit of kit. Let's put the, what other clocks do we have? Ooh, Christmas clock. Takes a minute to load. Okay, now it's changing all the others. It's all done through Wi-Fi, so the better your internet connection, the quicker it'll all be, and it's linked to the app. There you go. Look, countdown to Christmas, 261 days, which would be quite useful closer to Christmas. There's a Halloween one, which will change everything. Might even be, I don't know if there's a countdown for Halloween or not. It might be. Ooh, 207 days to Halloween. There you go. So different themes anyway you could put on it. Even if, you know, just as simple as a clock. It's quite clever and quite useful to have on your desk. But the fact that it does stock information, you can have YouTube information, TikTok information, you can have your news information. You can put almost anything on there. Time and date. The decibels thing's quite interesting. Temperature, the weather for the next few days, wherever you are. You just program that into the, program your location into the app, and it will tell you the weather for the next few days. So yeah, very clever. I don't know what other clock faces we have. You can also make, I think you can make your own city time. I don't know what that does. That'll give us different, the locations in a minute. There you go, now it's doing it. So that gives us so there you go, you've got New York, you've got London. I don't know what that is. Different times anyway, you can look them up. You could probably change them in the app. Let's put it back to the clock face for a minute to finish. But yes, quite important to download the app and connect, because you get so much more out of it if you connect the app to it. There you go, put it back to the time. But yeah, very cool bit of kit to have either on your desk or just on your side. If you don't have a desk at home, then put it on your side, put it near your TV, put it anywhere really, put it in your bedroom. You could use it as an alarm clock next to your bed, and it'll display all sorts of different useful information for you. I will put a link in the description as to where you can buy it. Again, it's called Divoom Times. You see there, really nice box and packaging it came in. Yeah, I will put a link in the description as to where you can buy it if you want to go and have a look. And they also make loads of other really cool stuff that's worth looking at. But for now, I will end that here, and I will see you next time.